Hello guys, so let's dive into the next week prediction. Um, right, this time I have the pen ready. So where we end? We ended last week here, and we predict a bounce from the 435.80. I didn't thought the bounce would be so high, the 450 almost. And then the next target we predict was the Fibonacci level from the 138.20, 430, and even me didn't think that the SPY will end at the next level, and even after hours, it's break to another key resistance support. 400 around 2430. So this is a big drop, and just by looking at it, we see the momentum is gross. We see the stochastic is in oversold area, which means that it doesn't mean that if we see a cross in the stochastic, it will immediately come up. Stochastics tend even to stay because this is a big sell-off. So what we predict for next week is very tricky, very hard because of this big candle, and also a lots of information about companies and reports that are gonna be next week. So key level for the SPY for the short term, like daily trade, is the 425. If we see a green candle closed above the 425, this could be the start of a V-shape or just a reversal. But we need a confirmation, and this one is a good after hours gap down, because you see it here. Let me make it larger. Like here, gap at the after hours, also gapped in the pre-hours, and then immediately bought and move in a big V shape. So it can even touch the 421 in a gap down and immediately move up again. In this candle, there is a buying pressure. The people start to buy and maybe average it down their position at about 430, 429. So it could be just a move here. They will lose their position and we will continue lower. Will it push down immediately to the 410 and retest it, or even to the 416, 17 area and retest those zones? I don't think so. There is a lot of buying opportunity, but people will wait for a move to the downside to re-enter, because see here, this is a lot of price section and there is a nice volume to re-enter or close position or bad position. We don't have any gaps here open. Let me check here. You can assume it closed this gap, so there is no gap to fill for the pressure to move up, which is not that good. But at the moment, of course, the momentum is down. Both the momentum is below the zero and the shorter one cross below the longer one. So this is indication to be aware of, but we are in an oversold area, so we need to wait. I would wait if you want to take short for the reversal and then re-enter. There is no divergence just by this one, but it already happened. This is a short continuation. If you wait for it, you probably could make good monies out of it, because you see it. Just wait for the reversal, no power, reached to the overbought area, then fell off. And you have indication here, you have indication of below the 200, you have several entry points. Even if you took the 60 minutes, 15 minutes, you could do nicely. So the prediction of the SPY is we are trending down. People will wait for the reports and then react bait, so they don't want to take a chance because of Facebook, Netflix. So they are closing some position, but all the market is red. So they're just waiting with their money out to rebound again and coming into the market because they have to invest. And because I don't have any indication where and when, let me go to the 60 minute and see what we see there. In the meantime, what I only see, there is a potential for reversal above the 425, but I want to see a green candle. If you want to be exact, above the 424.92. So you see the volume coming in, and there is a volume here, so there is a lot of buying action here. We are below the 438, 35.80, which is a zone for a breakdown, and you see it change, but it's too close. And I think that gapping down will push up, gapping up immediately it will take it like this, and then it can move here, rejected from the 432, come in retest, and then decided if it wants to go higher or lower. So I will wait for reversal. You can see it here, it's crossed a little bit, which is good. The cross doesn't mean that it will move up. Let me give you an example. Let's say here you see it cross above in yellow, and you see it can take some time and then push up for reversal, and then immediately sell off. And then again, this is in the pre-market, it's move up and then sell off. So be careful with it. It doesn't mean, just mean that in the short-term term, the momentum is starting to build a positive momentum, but we will have to wait and see. Maybe you could take it here and wait for it to come here. So it still can go down, retest it even. I think it will touch the 420, 421 area. This is my prediction, and from that it will try to push up. So something, let me clean it up, something like this, and from that it will build a divergence. You see it, see, this is the plastic is in oversold area. It will go up, go down, reversal, and long continue. Something like, let's hope so, but of course you have to wait for confirmation. Where is the next support? You could see the next support 420, 417, 410, 45. I had even a prediction that the SPY should reach to the 380 and even retest first the 400 as a round number and then reach to the 380. But it could take some time. But at the moment, big downside, need to check the reversal, even check the 435, something like this. You can even check it out, because you see there is position there, which didn't, they probably will average down, push it up, sell off. So I don't want to say that the chart give you basic. It should fall down, continue down. We don't have any indication of coming up. Momentum is down. There is just one key sign, 425. 425. You will have to wait for it. This is the reversal, 420. Let's continue with the Qs. So this is the 60-minute. Let's stay with it. You see the short momentum is cross, but it still continues. So this is what can be also in the SPY. So it doesn't mean that it is cross, so don't look at it. Just give you an example, the momentum is negative, negative. And for the next target of Qs is it's still in a momentum for the downside. I think the target want to reach is the 322, 321.30, the Fibonacci level here, and it can even get there by gapping down at the pre-market. So I don't care, even in the pre-market, come in here and then try to make the reversal. And this is a big fall from the 341 area, this area, and it can take some time to reach back again. It will have to create some entry point which doesn't made so, and even if it break the 325, it will do something like this, and then we'll try to break it up. We don't see the bars coming in. We see a candle with a red candle, big red candle, a nice rejection with a big volume. So nothing here that help us to see that the V shape. So people will wait on Monday. They will wait to see what the market want to do. Where is the volume? Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see how it looks from this perspective. All right, clean it up, bigger. So you see again, you can gap down and immediately. So what is interesting for me, that see this shape. You can call it head, shoulder, and this is the shoulder. And will it try, you see it false break here. So if it managed to hold the 321, 22 and don't break below this point, let's make it. Sorry, let's see this line. So if it managed to hold it, would be nice, and from it can push up with a big volume, because there are lots of short sellers here, took position. There is the options also, and they will move out from here. It push the price even higher, but at the moment it's just wishful thinking, because there are a big red candle with, you see the volume orange with a big nice candle. But see what happened. Big candle, red, waiting, another 2-1, and then boom. So for day trader, this is gold. For day trader, gold. just waiting for the right moment, and you could have, and this is 1, 2, maybe 3, or 1, this is the 2, so this could be another big leg down. At the moment I will wait for the reversal. I will not enter a short position in the market unless I see a good entry point. Entry point, a good one, is a point where there is a small stop loss and a big take profit target. Because to just open with a gap up, a gap down, people will take short position and immediately it will push up. Take them out. So be careful. So for the Q, next target B22. If you drop below, not good. If you drop below the 322, it will break the formation, then it will just be a continuation to the downside. And you know what? Let's draw. Let's take it from here. Below. This is high. So if it breaks the formation, hit here. 280. It will break the 300 and 200, and this is not good. Definitely. It's risky. So let's move on to Tesla. Tesla. Fake break. This was green. Remember, this was green, and immediately big volume sell-off. And holds, guys, holds the 1000, and I think it will need to touch it once again, and maybe from there to bounce. There is you could call it divergence from here to there, and try to push back up again. The momentum is a little bit above the 0 line, and it started here, so I will wait for another candle. If the candle will be green, we'll push up. We don't see any divergence here. Nice divergence, just a rejection. So probably trying to take people out. You see the super trend is straight. It needs to break the 200 and close below to confirm a break to the downside. It can do so. Let's see. Check it here. Okay, I think it will probably touch again. It can even touch again the 996, 995, and from there push up again. It needs a lot of power to push up again. But it depends on the market. Let's see here. No. If it falls below the 1000, let's see where it reach next target. Yeah, 980. $989. Yeah, it will reach to the 200 and retest it. So again, no trade zone. It's straight. You don't have any trend yet, so be careful. So they trade it. But I think it will push up. You have some indication. I don't have any entry. All my algos don't give me any entry or setup of get ready, set, something like that. Just give me indication that Tesla trying to trap. So if you want to take long Tesla, is above the 1010. If you want to take something like here, sorry for the handwrite, but I will wait to see how the first candle of the market will do. Sorry guys for this. Let's continue to mRNA, which what happened? Oh my god. So we see this one, not good. Change color, will push, sorry, will push to this line probably, and from the 130 we'll bring the bars and see how it reacts. Try to move on, failed. Both momentum is sideways. If it crosses below, it can continue lower, so be careful. I think mRNA tried to trap sideways long time. See what we have here. 136 and moves up a little bit from there. In the longer term, it seems that it want to push lower. In the longer term, it seems that it want to break this low, and this is not good. Let's make it smaller. Sorry guys, if it seems that you want to break it and probably go to the 100 and even 110. So careful guys. But you see, small candle, no volume. This one, volume, buying pressure. So wait for it. What we see here, just a second, let me see. And we'll continue lower, then try to come back. The moment of mRNA is pushed down, can come to the 142 again, and from there to push again down, and from there to build a position coming up. We will have to wait. Below the 200, below the super trend, both super trends, so look for an entry position. If it give you a nice entry, take it for the short side. Maybe wait for it. Any push to the upside can create a divergence, so take it to the downside. BA. Didn't think I talked last week about BA. I forgot about it. So let's see what it did. This is the reversal. This is the first reversal, the second reversal. So the push will be smaller. You see here the divergence here, nice with the market touching the 200, coming down, didn't. Again, this one is orange, so it needs to be dark colored, so it needs to close below, and it's resting on it. And you see, let's see here, exporting. There is a small divergence here, so might go up again. And see what happened. Try to break the 200, failed. Managed to break it and failed twice. And another third attempt, I think next attempt will be nice. And Guys, a lot of people taking vacation, so I think BA should move to the upside, but I don't know, everything is tricky. You see it cross below, momentum is a little bit coming higher, but it's below, so just another reversal. Wait for it. This is a big volume coming here, which means there are lots of buyers. This is a small volume, so this is accumulation, which means we're going up, coming down again, then trying to break, maybe break of the 200, close above the 200, give indication. Although remember, my prediction of BA was should reach the 150, and I put it here. This is the zone 150. I don't want to, but I want to test my algo if it's correct. So it told me that this is the next target. Let's continue. Mara, crypto, break the 20, break all the 19, which is not good. Which means, guys, where is the bottom? Oh my god, what happened here? Where is the low here? The low is 1832. Rocket. There is some buying pressure here, so probably I didn't have any line because this is very old for my algo and my information. So just looking at it here, 15 is the next target, which is not good. See it dark purple below the 200, moving forward. But it's starting to seem like that want to be in a positive momentum. So let's see what happened at the moment. Look for the short side. Next target is 15. Right, let's see it here. Probably the same. Yeah, same. Next target, the 10, 11 area. In here. Oh my god, this is December 2020. Oh my god, what the market did for people. Basically, it took all the money. If they stayed here, they took all the money, and it's, I think, but by looking at it, and you're probably gonna see Facebook here. Yeah, I had a Fibonacci level. Oh my god, rejected and closed below. Which means not good. I thought this attempt will try to bring the market higher, but I like this skin. See what happened to the super trend. It took it so close to the price. It means that it should move up, and maybe then momentum is negative here. You see the divergence here again. I don't need to think about it, but you see the volume sell-off. Not that good. Next target, if we want to talk about it, 117.7, and can even try to reach to the 150, 145 area. But what about this gap? Netflix, I didn't talk about it. Everybody is talking. You see, I even don't have the information. Let's wait for it. Let's put it like this one. Just need to download information because I never traded Netflix. I will pause. Alright, so see what happened. Like Facebook, big gap, and here, big gap. Try to close it, failed. Big gap down. Should it try to close it? This is a nice bear flag. See the volume. See the volume. What happened? And I don't have any line because I never trade it. But I think it should make a reversal. Oh my god, I don't have any information yet. Oh my. Oh, it's still downloading information. So, you see here the momentum is try to be positive in the short term. There is no divergence yet. So I will wait. The momentum is coming back in. If I want to take long, if you invest and want to take long, wait for it for the right time, because let's say if you took it here, probably took a big loss. You didn't move out, so wait for the right moment to push up, because this is the second push. 1, 2 big push, and this is the third push, and now it should make a reversal. So let's continue with Apple 150 yet. I didn't check it. No, 160. What happened with Apple? See, it crossed, trying to be positive sideways. Momentum is don't give us the indication. I needed 2 line, yellow or gold. So let's see if it will be a positive one. Momentum is down, low, so not that good. If you want to take an entry for continuation, you can do so, but be careful. Look for a smaller time frame to re-enter. Next target is the 160, and then 155 and 150. This is a big range. This is a big range. Fake break moving up, fake break moving up, and it's like here you could fake break and then move it. So let's see. It's preparing for a much bigger move to the upside, but at the moment want to move down. So if it want to move down, let it. What we see here, is there any divergence? This is moving down. Sorry. For 477 for small divergence. So we need confirmation. So wait for confirmation of reversal. You see it in the short-term term trying to break. Let's try to wait for another attempt to break and wanna re-enter. So I think this week couldn't help you much, guys. Let's see what happened. Cover. Oh, the oil and the gold. Yeah. Oil and let's here. Wow, break the fall. You remember we traded the 460, 46 and the 58, and what happened? Wow. So you see the momentum is trying to be positive but still going down. Need to cross the 50, and it needs, and this is also good, and there is the big volume, green, fake break. Probably this is what I hope the market will do, making a volume on the 20, just the numbers the round number, fake break, stop losses, hunt stop losses, and then try to move up, but build a divergence. This one didn't build a divergence. The only divergence I see is from the momentum, which is coming up, the price coming down. So there is a weakness here. I like this volume, so maybe above this 2080, I will take the long side. Please go here, and then coming down, try catch to the 2030 area, someplace here. So this is for Saba. Let's go in for the gold. ELE. This is the ETF, so just rejected for Fibonacci and moving down. So market is crashing. People not buying the gold. The gold is moving down, resting on the 200. Started to build. It didn't be now like this one, but it will be like crash down. So cross below. There is no indication that you will have to wait. Is something like this. So people not buying the gold, and also the market is crashing. Market is falling down this week. The gold is falling down. So where the money goes? People just taking out the money. They need to reinvest. Also, see what happened. The oil is going down. So, and the same is going here. And there is a divergence. Yeah, but it didn't finish. We need to see confirmation. We need to see the break above because it just opened here and there is no divergence. So wait for it. This is accumulation. Do we want to see the oil and the gold moving up? No, I want to see it moving down, and then I will know the reversal will coming. So I will follow oil, I will follow gold, and to see if the market moving, and also the Bitcoin because it's 24 hours market to see how it trades, because it can push up a little bit Tesla, and you see Tesla have some Bitcoin investment and all the 1000. So watch it. Let's continue and sum it up. So not that good. I don't have much clue what can be. I just have it's not a prediction because it just gives you scenarios what happened. I don't have any indication. I don't have any triggers yet. So it means that just continuation. But where 200 to 421 for the SPY. If it could gap down, it could immediately come up to 430 like it did here. Let's see what happened. Immediately push down, push up, sorry, and make another attempt. Bring the buyers again, because this is the breaks. Bring the buyers into the game, then move up. But all this zone here, and if I will make it smaller, just boring trade because there is no momentum. The 200 is below, now it's above, now it's below, now it's above. So we're just taking out all the day traders out, and the investor taking them out just to build position for later. I will follow what happened with China as Taiwan, because this could affect the entire market. Even if the reports will be good, affect them all. So listen to the news. So for this week, Careful on the start of this week. If you see a sign for reversal, go with it, but take small size. It's not time to invest the longer term, even though some investors started to put some stock because the market is cheap. And this is it, guys. Sorry, probably took about 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes exactly. So see you next week. Hope you have a good week. Sorry I couldn't have much besides telling you that it's gonna go down and wait for reversal. So bye bye.